Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to unbox GoPro Hero 2018, which is also called as GoPro Hero HD. Okay, let's see the specs. Guys, this is a 10 megapixel camera which records 1080p at 60 frames per second, and it comes with the waterproof body which is up to 33 feet, which is also 10 meters. As this is a budget camera from GoPro has limited the video recording like 1440p at 60 frames per second and 1080p at 60 frames per second. And also it comes with the voice commands. You can use your voice to control the camera without any issue, and there is a touchscreen on the back. Okay, let's unbox it, guys. There is a blue strap here. You should peel this. If you would like to know how I bought this for 7,000 rupees, please comment on below. I will tell you how to use the offers on Amazon or other e-commerce sites like Flipkart, how to use the offers and the time of offers correctly.
Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't trying to pressure her. She messed with the temperature.
Wow, here comes the camera, guys, and the accessories are on the box down. There is a picture information here how to take this camera from this mounts here. It says GoPro. Okay, let's see what the accessories you get. Okay, on the top there is a quick start guide, like how to take out the GoPro from this casing and how to install the battery and other accessories that comes with the GoPro. Okay, and there is some stickers, GoPro stickers. And the instruction manual. My god, this looks like my exam books here. It is so big. Okay, let's keep this aside. Let's see, and here comes the accessories. The first thing, guys, this is a helmet mount which is slightly curved here. This is a helmet mount, and this is an ordinary mount which you can place on any flat surfaces. You can stick it on any flat surfaces and use this. And the USB-C type cable for charging and data transferring. And here comes the battery, guys. The battery is too small. And guys, this is a 1220 mAh battery, and there is a GoPro logo on it. Okay, that's all, guys. There is nothing inside the box. Okay, now let's take the GoPro from this mount. Okay guys, first to take it out, there is a lock, there is a rubber lock here. You should lift it up. This is for preventing when you mount this GoPro, it should not come out from the mounts like this, so that you should first lift it up and then press the clip like this, clip and slide it front, so that the GoPro will come out easily. That's all, the GoPro is here. And guys, at the first you cannot tilt it because there is a lock here for tilting it. You should remove that lock before tilting the camera. Okay, first release, take the screw out, and here comes the lock. Once you took it out, you can again screw this thing here. And now you can tilt this front, and now you can tilt this like this camera like front and back. Okay guys, let's take this GoPro from GoPro out from the casing. Guys, there will be a symbol here, like arrow like symbol here, to take it out. From that side you should lift the lock on the top, and once it is lifted, open the lock and open the door here and push the camera out of the case. And push the camera from its case, and here comes the GoPro. Yes, it feels little heavy. Okay, I didn't expect this, as this is my first time using GoPro. It is little bit heavy, I think. Yes. Okay, the build quality, guys, the build quality looks like pretty solid. Euro 5 black looks the same like in the front and the back, but the configuration of the camera differs and the software differs from each camera. And on this camera it will be written as Hero here. On the Hero 5 it will be written as Hero 5. On Hero 6 it will be written as Hero 6. And there is a GoPro branding on the front of the camera. Guys, this is a lens here. On the back, okay, let's peel this sticker. Okay. Let's paste it here. Guys, it comes with the 3 microphones. There is one microphone on the top, and one is on the right side of the camera, and one is on the left side here. And also it comes with the 3 indication lights. When you start recording or take a picture, the 3 indication lights will light up. Also, when you charge this camera, the 3 indication lights light up. One is on the back, on the left side top corner of the display, and one is on the front right side corner of the camera above the display, and one is at the bottom near the speaker. Okay guys, there is 2 buttons on this camera, 2 physical buttons on this camera. There is one is on the top, which is used for recording, start recording and stop recording and take pictures, and also this is used for quick mode. There is a mode button, which is also a power button on the right side of the camera. You can see the symbol here, like there is an arrow mark facing down and it says mode button. And guys, there is also other 2 buttons which is not actually buttons. They are the buttons to open the battery compartment and the connecting compartments here on the left. First, let me clear this and show you how to turn on the camera and how to open the ports and the battery compartment. Okay guys, now the table is clear, and see the camera on all the side, how it looks. Guys, let's open the battery compartment and insert the battery and turn on the camera. Guys, to open the battery compartment, there will be a lock like here. Press that button here and slide it front so that the battery compartment opens like this. And take your battery, make sure you're putting the battery on the right side and the pins are correctly inserted. Okay, once the battery is inserted, you can see the red light blinking here once. And guys, the memory card slot is near this battery. Take your memory card. Guys, I'm using the SanDisk Ultra, which is 64 GB and class 10 memory card. This memory card can also be used for 4K recording, but I'm going to use this memory card on this camera, but that's okay. Guys, make sure that you insert the memory card on the right side, the correct side. Make sure the printed side is facing the battery. Insert it correctly. There is a spring action for the memory card. Once you click it, you can hear the once you push it down, you can hear the click sound. Okay, that's all. And close the battery compartment, like pulling it down and pushing it back to its place. Guys, make sure the button with button or lock which you pressed is coming back up, so that you will not lose your waterproof. If the button is not clicked correctly, make sure to open it again and close it so that the button locks correctly. Also the same for the connectivity ports area. You should press this button and push the door, and the connectivity area opens, and there are two connectivity options here, HDMI and an USB-C type port. And here it is the waterproof area here, which you can see the square like structure here. That's okay. Let's close it out. Okay guys, now let's turn this camera on and see how it works. Guys, to turn this camera, you can just press this mode button once. You can hear a beep sound 3 times, and all the notification lights comes up, and you can see the GoPro theme here. Okay, let's set it up. English. First it asks for the language and some terms and conditions. Okay, agree, and the date. That's really, the touchscreen is very responsive. You can slide it. Okay guys, the camera turns on. That is on the setup mode, which gives some how to use this camera. Okay. Okay guys, the camera is successfully turned on. Guys, make sure to charge the battery at the beginning. When you take the battery out from the box, it has no charge left. So once you insert it, the camera will not turn on. Don't freak out that camera is not working. The battery is not charged. Make sure to charge your camera first and turn it on. Okay, the default mode on this camera is video mode, and the resolution is 1080p, and the frames per second is 60 frames per second, and the field of view is like, there is a wide. Guys, I think there is only 2 modes, or no, there is a 3 mode field of view: wide, medium and narrow. And 1080p supports like 30 frames per second and 60 frames per second, which you can use only two settings here, 60 or 30. And the resolution is like, there are 2 resolutions, 1440p. Also it works on 30 frames and 60 frames per second. Okay, auto exposure, locked exposure. Okay, the modes. To change the mode, you can just press here the video. You can change the mode. You can change the mode on the screen itself or using the mode button. You can also change using the mode button. Once you click the mode button once, the mode changes, like now it is on the photo mode. It says that 10 megapixel photo. It can take up to 10 megapixel photo. The field of view can be changed like wide, medium, narrow again. Okay, once you press it again, the camera goes into burst mode, which is at where now, guys, also the photos per second cannot be changed on the burst mode, which is 10:1. Only one option here. And also the field of view, again the 3, like wide, medium and narrow. And when you press the mode button once, it enters into the time-lapse video mode, which can be recorded at 1080p only. You also get only 1 interval times, guys, which is not useful, like 0.5 seconds. And the field of view can be changed also here, like wide, medium and narrow. And once again, when you press the mode button, it will go into the time-lapse photo mode, which again the interval cannot be changed, 0.5 seconds, and only the field of view can be changed here. Okay guys, once again you press it, it enters into the video mode back to normal. Okay guys, that's it. when you swipe from the right side, you can see guys, this camera comes with a video stabilization which is pretty good. You can turn it on and turn it off by pressing here, and also auto low light mode, which is not much useful because these cameras don't shoot very well on the night or on the low lights. It can only be used to shoot on the light situation. If you have light, then you can use this camera, but auto light mode will do some work for you on that thing. Guys, on this camera, I bought this from Amazon on the Great Indian Sale. I bought this for, I think you guys will not believe for how much I bought this camera. I bought this for just 7,000 rupees guys, but I paid like 9,000 rupees. 9,000 rupees cash, and I got the cashback or refund, like I think that's a cashback offer. I got the cashback of rupees 2,000 back to my Amazon Pay balance, which then it is like cost only like 7,000 rupees for me. I bought this on Great Indian Sale guys. If you would like to know how I bought this for rupees 7,000 rupees, please comment down below. I will tell you how to use the offers on Amazon or other e-commerce sites like Flipkart, how to use the offers and the time of offers correctly. The original rate on that sale was 9,990. I bought this for 9,000. There was a bank offer like instant cashback, SBI card. I used an SBI debit card. For that I got 10% instant cashback, which is like 1,000 rupees, and the other 2,000 was the cashback and the other 2,000 was the special cashback for Amazon Pay balance, so that it only cost me 7,000 rupees. I think for 7,000 rupees you cannot even buy a second-hand GoPro, but I got a new one. Okay guys, that's it. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button on the bottom. If you have any suggestions, please comment down below on the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe for the channel for more videos. Bye.